মুসলিম কাস্টের সামাজিক আচার বিচার হয়ে থাকে, যে বিচারটা যেইভাবে হওয়ার কথা ছিল তা না হয়ে বিচারটা বেশি বেশি হয়ে গেছে।
Then who are you to declare West Bengal a Muslim state or to implement Shariat law? Really shocked. We are ashamed and our heads hang in shame. Being a resident of West Bengal, being a woman from West Bengal, I am, and we all women are ashamed to see what happened in Kuch Bihar, where a mother, where a sister, a Muslim lady, active karyakarta of BJP Minority Morcha, has been disrobed, made naked and paraded in the village as a punishment, just because she's an active worker of BJP. And before we could come to terms with it, we see another shocking incident. Yesterday, where we see a girl and a boy is being beaten up inside a place which is Chopra in Uttar Dinajpur. A lot of crowd has accumulated and they are watching it as if, there is some game happening, like we have it over here in West Bengal. We have these snake charmers, showing shows. It's like that, people are watching them. And this TMC Gunda, his name is JCB, and who is supposed to be a very close aide of the MLA over there, Hamidur Rahman, a TMC MLA. He is beating up that woman and that boy, and that woman is screaming out of pain, and the boy, he fell and he became unconscious. And more shocking is that this MLA, Hamidur Rahman, whose close aide is JCB, he is saying that this happens in Muslim states. This kind of punishment happens in Muslim states. So my question to you is, Mr. Hamidur Rahman, and to our Women Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, that have you declared West Bengal a Muslim state? Have Mr. Modi declared, our Honorable Prime Minister declared Bharatvarsh a Muslim state? Then who are you to declare West Bengal a Muslim state or to implement Shariat law? This is Muslims' Shariat law of having a kangaroo court and taking law and order in your hands and, giving punishment as you wish. What is happening to West Bengal? What is happening to our Chief Minister? No statement from her side. No statement regarding Kuch Bihar. No statement regarding Chopra. So we today are here, we the women MLAs of BJP, we are here inside West Bengal Legislative Assembly. We will be protesting and we will raise our voice, and our voice will be raised till we can get justice for these two women and the other women who are being tortured, molested, raped each and every day in West Bengal.